So I just watched the video of the 12-year-old that died yesterday, and to be completely honest with you guys, I am devastated. Like, I don't have energy to do anything. I just want to know what the next course of action is. Because we can't.
Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. My people, we still did the matter of late Sylvester, where a classmate turned to RIP because say he refused to join Jaguda gang, where they call court for inside secondary school. My people, so make una come here waiting. TV, reality TV star, whether they call Tasha, and actress Caroline Dajuma, where they talk put for inside the matter, my people, you understand, because it's they very, very painful. Say you carry pikin go school, you know see your pikin carry come outside for school. It's a very, very painful situation, my people, you understand. So now the parents of the late Sylvester na it be this my country people. So when I see this video when fed a trend for social media, I shock. I say wetin dey happen, wetin really happen to this little pikin. When I look into the matter, now I can see the full details about how everything take play, my country people, you understand. So now I say okay, make I quickly just bring and come give my fans, make dem come see wetin still dey happen, because I promise to follow the case to the end. So how it take play, my country people, you understand. So this little boy where he turn RIP, you go for this video I go bring and come give, I will release the video to una make una see or hear where a friend for confined, that is one of the his classmates, you understand. So when she dey tell her own mother say see wetin really happen, you understand. So my people, make una hear wetin reality TV star Tasha talk about the matter, you understand. He say this kind situation they're supposed to do protest put, you understand. Not be everything they just dey sweep under the carpet, because when this thing first happen to Don Davis, the Calabar guy that come from Cross River, where mama na Igbo. So when the woman cry come outside for inside Deeper Life School, up till now nobody help that woman, you understand. People started calling her name and all those things, but thank God say another one, he pain us say this a little boy just turned RIP like this, you understand. But he exposed a lot of things, you understand. So for this video when I want release give una, so una here una go know say come hear how some mothers, some fathers, some parents, they wicked well, you understand, because na person own na just turn RIP. Imagine parents paying 1 million naira per term, you understand. Then and their pikin, they no fit see their pikin, they no fit bring their pikin come back out of that school alive, you understand. It dey very, very painful and it's heartbroken. A lot of Nigerians have come outside to condemn this act, you understand. So they say it's not done that way. And this one where I see they talk, so for inside this video now you go see here when the very best friend to this guy one of the see, so this late Sylvester for here, Sylvester Noromoni Jr. So when the girl they talk about her, he said say one of the students even run, my people. Oh my God, before I will give una the gist, I beg, if you're just watching for the very first time, you are highly welcome. Please, after watching, subscribe and on your notification bell so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just uploaded a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you are highly welcome, and to my returnees, may God bless you all. So we still did the matter of this late Sylvester, where a classmate turned to RIP for inside his school, my people, for Downwen secondary school for Lagos, Nigeria. So now the matter we still dey deliberate on, my people, you understand. So my country people, for this video, Super TV, reality Super TV don't come talk for the matter. Say they want know, we want know how we want to start a rally, you understand, protest, no rally. How we want to start protest, mean therefore protest against this kind of thing. Justice must come for this little boy where he turn ROIP for inside doing secondary school, you understand, because this one not fit just come out like that, meaning say all those jaguda dey for inside school, you understand, and they not talk come outside. They not fit tell us say principal no fit tell us say he no know anything about that school. Now this one they talk about western world they get camera for inside school where e dey video all activities and everything, you understand. If teacher dey maltreat students, especially those small pikin dem wey dey nursery, dem na dem don arrest the teacher, because the camera go just show, a CCTV camera go just show everything how e take happen, you understand my people. For this video for here, I go still leave una make una still watch video how the boy was that how they take where they for dey treat am for hospital. You go see all im mouth peel, my people, my god, oh my god, oh my god. They no dey do this one to any, even to your worst enemy. You know if you do one to a pikin, you understand, talk less of person wey never find you, my people. So justice for this little Sylvester where e turn ROIP, you understand, because this right of honor they see for here now the same they are cousins, you understand. As you can see the son name here, Perry Erumu no name, I forgotten the name, sorry guys. So you understand. So justice for this a little pikin, e no fit just die like that, e no fit just, the death no fit just go in vain like that, you understand, because a lot of people don't fall into all this kind of category for inside school, which they no fit talk come outside. All thanks to Mama Don Davis Don Davis, where e pikin dey go deeper life school, where e fit cry come outside, you understand. So that one still dey the matter still dey pending, still dey court up till now. So they never see hear anything up till now, you understand my people. So now come say okay, make I just bring this matter, make I come knack am for una table. Say our super star wey they call actress Caroline Dajuma, she kick against the injustice in that school, you understand. He said justice must prevail. He said that pikin no fit just turn ROIP just like that, you understand, because most of everybody get pikin for school, whether na big school or not big school, you understand. So they no fit just treat person pikin from school like that, and the end of the story now they just carry the pikin come house with a ROIP on top of his head. So it's not done, you understand. Justice for this little boy where he turn ROIP for inside school, my people. Make una come hear how principal take call the parents, say make the parents come. They call the parents 2 times, say make the parents come, say the pikin no well, say the sickness he had because he dey play football and he fall. My people, before parents can be paid 1 million per term, you will know say everything dey inside that school, you understand, where include everything for the school, you understand my country people. So okay, my people, hear wetin papa talk for you. Say the father said Junior suffer liver enlargement due to the the beating wey dey beat e pikin for school, you understand. So e liver come get damage, and they come still give am something make him drink, my people. They give am substance make e drink, you understand. So wetin dem give am, nobody know wetin e be, but according to the way doctor take call the principal take call e parents, he say the boy dey play football, na the boy e fall, you understand, e come injure. Abeg my people, make una lis ten to this write up for here. Say the parents of the boys are wealthy, that is the other boys wey dem run comot for school. He say they withdraw them. Some of the parents are planning to fly their children out of the country. The boys are 5 in number, 4 are in SS2 while 1 is in SS1, he added. Before this boy turn ROIP, now the details wey he give him papa, now be this one, you understand. He confide in his father. He make sure, he said they are 5, but he make sure 3 before giving up the ghost, you understand. So this pikin now justice must surely prevail. Okay, say the new incident came to my knowledge on November 21st after the school called my wife to notified us that our son was in the school clinic injured. The boy could not stand because his waist was beat and swollen, along with one side of his belly. His mouth was black. He was taken to my house in Lagos but could not sleep at night. Junior said, "Mommy, I did not play ball. I did not fall." He jumped off his hostel bed, then kicked he jumped off his hostel bed, then kicked him, mashed his waist. Other students ran off. They to they threat to turn him to RIP. Then, or if they spoke a word to the school staff, they warned juniors to say he sustained injury while playing ball. Then threat him, "If you ask roommate, they will all lie." My people, now hear what with the statement where the boy just done before he turn RIP. So now wetin he talk for here? Other students, because dem na inside a hostel room na im dey, when 5 of them enter inside. As the 5 enter, the next thing na im dis 5 boys enter inside the house, inside the hostel room. Then they off the light. 3 of them bounced on him. So you understand. So the other people, they ran out. The boy did not even, that is, he no fit identify the remaining 2. That is, I don't know how I want to put them. He no fit identify the remaining 2, but those 3, he hold them ransom. You understand. So other students ran off because they tell them say if they talk to the school authority, they will turn them to RIP. You understand. Guiding, I have. Okay, look at other evidence that he gave us here. Okay, according to late Sylvester, wetin he talk, he say these 5 boys, this is schoolmate, they ask am say make he describe how his sister Ekpekus be to them, his senior sister Ekpekus be to them. So now wetin the first bully wey dem take bully am for school na be this one. So the man say they come switch am comot for the first, because this thing have been going on for a very long time. They come switch am comot for the first hostel, carry am go another hostel. The same thing that happen to Don Davis, you understand. And they will tell them not to speak out. If they speak out, they go turn them to RIP. My people, the school need to be closed. The school need to be investigated. That because they no fit talk say they no know anything about wetin dey happen for inside that school, my people. So because me, I dey very very bored for here. It is something they pay me, you understand. As a mother, I no fit sleep. I no fit just close my eye watching something happen to somebody's child like this. It's so painful, my people. You understand. As we dey even dey talk now, according to the way one of his friend, late Sylvester friend, take talk for here, I will release the video make una listen to am. He say one of the school student where he beat Sylvester to RIP. He said one of them jumped the fence while the remaining one, their parents came to pick them. Why will their parents come and pick them up when they know say this kind of situation dey ground? Okay, first pikin wey jump fence go house and na hostel na the pikin dey. Why the parents not drive the pikin go back, meaning they know wetin they dey do? They wan cover their open for inside body. What about person wey turn RIP, my people? So now I say make I carry this matter, make I come give una, make we deliberate on this matter for comment section. Say justice may e prevail for this innocent boy wey e just turn RIP, because this boy no fit just die like that. Just 12 years old pikin, you understand. So now make some stars, some celebrity come outside say no, justice must take place for late Sylvester. Okay, late Sylvester Omoromenia. If I did not pronounce it well, please pardon me. So justice must prevail, my people, because they know they do this one to person pikin. So according to the way his friend take talk, he say they really beat him, but they talk say may he not tell anybody. The same case with Don David. The same case with Don David. Just the same thing, my people. Look at the pikin where they carry go school. He no come fit stand again. And the worst part of it, they give am something, put something for inside the old mouth. So the substance wey dem give am, my people,
But he was
dem
my
never see no make I
friend.
leave una.
Before Sly started complaining of leg pain, he told me he had muscle pull.
True.
So I carried him. Me and his best friend Alex, we carried him to the sick bay. We brought food from me from the cafeteria.
The one that they came
Fed
to
him.
pick 5 o'clock with convoy now is one of the bad boys that beat him up.
Yes.
And the parent knows what child means. They came to pick their own.
Yeah,
and they did not train the boy very well.
I think they say one of the boys jumped fence and ran out of school.
Magic, the hostel of the college is bad. It's bad.
Yes.
They came to pick their child at 5 o'clock. The other one ran away. The parent did not bring it back to school. That means they know.
Una hear wetin his best friend talk. He say she and the other of her friend, late Sylvester tell them say he get muscle pain, you understand, and waist pain. So before two of them come carry am, he say one of the students, their mama come carry am around 5 o'clock, while the other one jump fence run go house. So they know wetin dem dey do, you understand. So the mother no fit tell us say why e pikin go jump fence, and the teacher no fit report say their pikin jump fence go house without no that is without his property, you understand, his luggage, his school bag and everything. So the parent did not return him back to the school again. As we even dey hear now, they say e be like say one is out of the country. My people, I not believe that story, you understand, because me, AB World Entertainment, I not believe the story. If I believe one, oh my God, my people, I not go to take for this video. I will just leave una make una watch the video. I bet me will come comment section, me will deliberate on this matter. So me will do protest how justice want to prevail. You understand? First and foremost, that school need to be brought down, and the principal need to be arrested. You understand? You have to. In that, you need to be that is, you need to dey inside kirikiri by now. You understand? So the minute they question the man, you understand, whether na man or woman. So now wetin me get to talk for inside this matter, na be this, my people, you understand. So I go see you now for another video where you no go too take. Happy view, guys. Justice for late.
Carry your tummy up. Rest it, please. Daddy, rest it. No. I will say.
So I just watched the video of the 12-year-old that died yesterday, and to be completely honest with you guys, I am devastated. Like, I don't have energy to do anything. I just want to know what the next course of action is. Because we cannot keep letting serious issues like this be swept under the carpet. And oh no, this is a 12-year-old that just died. That little boy could have been anybody's brother here. That little child could have been any. So I jump on it. What exactly are we doing? Because this shouldn't end with a hashtag. No. This should not be swept under the carpet. No. Please. This little boy could have been anybody's brother, could have been anybody's cousin, could have been anybody's nephew. So please. Please. That little child could have been anybody's cousin. How does the school come out to say this boy was involved in a football match? What football match would keep that little child in the condition he was before he died? This boy could not open his mouth to properly talk. There was blood in between his teeth. Was he playing against principalities and powers? What sort of football match was that? This case needs to be investigated as soon as. Sort of football match was that? This case needs to be investigated as soon as. Like, investigation needs to start. Where are the legal practitioners? Where are the legal practitioners? What are the steps to be taken? What exactly do we need to do? Do we need to write to Ministry of Education? How do we get Lagos State involved to know what is going on? Is there a protest going on tomorrow? What exactly are we doing? I need to know. So I jump